Hi guys, it's Maggie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to do a more colorful look. I know it is fall, but I already did 2 fall looks on my channel. I will link those 2 down below. I wanted to do a colorful look with the ABH and Norvina collection palette. It looks like so. One of my fall looks was with this palette right here. I wanted to do another one, but a little bit more colorful. So yeah, I did not want to get this palette and not do a colorful look with it. So that's what I'm going to do with this. So if you want to see what I came up with, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so for my base, I'm going to be using my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 3. A little bit goes a long way with this, so I'm only going to put a little dot. Maybe a little bit more. And I'm just going to dab that all over the lid. The first shade I'm going to be using is E2, which is this orange shade right here. First, I'm just going to dab it all over the crease because I did not set my base and I don't wanna swipe. So I'm just gonna dab that. Okay, so the next shade I'm going to take is D1, which is this yellow shade right here. I'm going to use that to blend the orange shade upwards. Okay, so to deepen the orange shade, I want to use this shade right here. It is D3. It is like a red or maybe a dark pink. And I'm going to cut my crease from inner corner to outer corner. I'm gonna take this shade right here, which is C2. It is this very pretty yellow. It is a shimmer yellow shade. It's so pretty. I think I'm going to add that to my lid. It applied very nicely and I didn't even have to wet it, which is good. I think I'm going to add one more color. I'm going to choose one of the purples. There are so many purples up here on top. I think I'm going to choose B4. I'm going to take the shade D2. I'm going to apply that in between these 2 shades just so it can blend a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to stop right here just for a second while I finish the rest of my face, and then I'll come back to finish the eyes. I'm just going in with the purple shade one more time just to deepen it and add the color that I lost. I'm gonna get a little bit of the purple, the same purple I used on the outer lid. I'm going to add that to my lower lash line. I'm just doing this just to connect the lid with the lower lash line, just so everything can look seamless. I'm just going to add some black eyeliner. I'm going to get this purple right here and blend that deeper purple in the bottom. I'm going to get the same yellow I put on my lid and just add that to the inner corners. Okay, so now I'm going to put on some eyelashes and I'll be right back with the final look. Okay, so yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll talk to you guys back on my next video. Bye.